In this lesson, we connect Horizon to two critical systems, vCenter and Active Directory. Horizon does not work alone. It needs vCenter to create and manage virtual machines, and it needs Active Directory to identify users and apply permissions. Think of vCenter as the infrastructure manager, while Active Directory acts as the identity manager. vCenter gives Horizon access to critical virtual machine operations such as cloning, power management, and template use. Active Directory provides essential users, groups, and domain integration. Horizon uses AD groups to decide exactly who gets which desktop or application. Essentially, Horizon acts as a service layer sitting between your users and the underlying infrastructure. If vCenter is missing, Horizon cannot create or manage desktops. If AD is missing, Horizon cannot identify users or apply the correct permissions. Integrating these services is a key design step in any enterprise deployment to ensure a seamless user experience. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.